So we have the prerequisites for SQL Server. So here we have hardware wise prerequisites and the software prerequisites and operating system. Please make sure before you start installation of SQL Server 2012, make sure you should install .NET Framework runtime. If it is not there in your laptop, we cannot install SQL Server software. That is very important. And you should have minimum 3 GB free space in the C drive. That is what we have to make sure that. And our operating system, what SQL Server you are installing, based on that our operating system 10 or 11. So what you can do, you decide based on operating system you have in your laptop, we can decide what version of SQL Server we want to install. So if you are having Windows 10 or 11, go ahead and install 2022. If you are using Windows 7 or 8, you can go ahead and install SQL Server 2014. Okay. So this is fine. Now I'm going to show you my laptop is a Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to install SQL Server 2022 in my laptop. So how do I know that whether my system is having these configurations or not? So here guys, you can simply open the command prompt. You may have different methods, different other ways also you can verify. But usually in when I'm working in any servers and all, if I'm going to work on servers and all, so I will open that command prompt in that server computer. Open this command prompt, just open, no need to run as administrator. Click on this command prompt. In your laptop also you do same thing. Open the command prompt and there you can type system info. So you can simply type here system info. So and click enter button. Now it is going to show complete information about your computer. So in that information we can see RAM size and processor speed, all that. So we can see that now here. So now you will see that guys here processor, under processor there is one processor is there, that is AMD processor. Its speed is a 1800 megahertz. So same thing, same number if you convert into gigahertz, that will be 1.8 gigahertz. So 1.8 is okay, good. 1.8 is not okay for now. I can run everything. But nowadays, guys, mostly laptops are coming with 2.2, 2.3. Desktops are coming with the 3.2 speed, 3.2 gigahertz. So, but minimum 1.4 should be there, minimum 1.4. But mine is a 1.8 gigahertz. Okay, I'm good at processor wise. And the total physical memory, mine is a 16 GB RAM is there in this laptop. 16 GB RAM is there, and it is showing 15326. That is good. So that's it, guys. So these are the two primary things. And what operating systems are we are using? Microsoft Windows 11 Pro is the operating system I am using. Okay, so this is good. And now let's close this. That's it, guys. You can check it out all this. I closed that. And whether .NET framework is installed already in your laptop or not, how do you know that? You can go to control panel. So open the control panel in your laptop and check that in the programs and features. There is an option, programs and features. You please go to that option here. It is this one, guys, programs and features. Open these programs and features, and there we see all the installed programs over here. And there is a .NET framework 4.5.5 SDK development kit. So not only runtime, guys, I installed development kit, complete development kit I installed for different reason, but anyway, .NET frameworks is available in my laptop. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and download. I just given the link, guys, where you can download. Right at this moment, this link is valid. Open this link and you can download a .NET framework runtime environment, not developer pack. Runtime. Download it and install it. Okay. Once that is done, restart the computer. Please restart the computer. Don't forget. Every time, guys, when we restart some major softwares, that softwares are needed to restart the system. Not shut down and start. Restart is important. When you restart, what will happen? It will be re-uploaded and refresh all the executables. So that is important. After restart, now we can start installing the SQL Server software. So as per this spreadsheet, guys, we have to install two softwares. One is SQL Server 22, that is what database related software. Other one is SSMS software. These two we have to install now. So SSMS I already installed in my laptop, but I will show you the software. Just double click and say install. Then SSMS will be installed. and SQL Server is the one I am going to show it now. So let's go to that folder. So here it is, guys. This is the complete bunch of executable files. Okay. So now here it is, the setup.exe. Just double click this setup.exe. So the installation center will open. Now it is prompting, choose yes or no. Choose yes. Once I choose yes, guys, I can see installation center. Installation center window is came now. So now it is opening installation center. So this is SQL Server installation center. Okay, and here you will see planning, installation, maintenance, tools, and all. Just give me a minute. So here, guys, you will see planning, installation. In the planning section, you will see lot of documentations. So this is all represents documentation, guys. If you can go to this, click on this hardware and software requirement in the Microsoft Edge, it will open a link. In that link, you will see again hardware and software requirements as per the Microsoft. They will give so many things. If you want to refer, you can refer. And go to this installation tab. In the installation tab, we have so many installations here. These are not required for us. The first one, new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to an existing installation. Click on this button. That's it, guys. Now it is going to open another wizard. Wizard will come. So this is the window. You can minimize this window. We don't need this window anymore. You can close else or else you can minimize it. Either one. So I'm going to minimize it. Now a new wizard will open. Wizard means what, guys? When you are seeing a window with the next button, previous button, next, back buttons or previous buttons, you will see some windows. Now that is what we will say wizard. Window means it's nothing but you will see OK button, cancel button. Prompt means yes button, no button. I mean, these terminologies, people will use these terminologies. When they will say prompt always pop up with the choose either OK or cancel or yes or no. Okay, window means that is OK or cancel. This is wizard now. Now you will see, guys, this wizard is started. So you will see very simple. Left side you will see, guys, first it is showing edition, license terms, global rules, product updates. This is all what we will say pages. So right now I'm in a first page, that is edition. Now it is checking, select the edition of SQL Server 2012. So you want to install. What edition of SQL Server you are going to install? Here you will see 3 editions are there: evaluation, developer, and express. Don't choose evaluation or express, choose the developer. Because evaluation and developer both will contain 100% of features, but evaluation will expire after 180 days. It will not work after 180 days. And express, it will work forever and ever, but express does not having all features. So developer is the one you can choose, because developer will not expire, and also it contains a lot, all the features. Whatever features SQL Server contains, all features are available in a developer edition. Select that and say now click next. So license terms, we need to accept these license terms. Say yes, accept the license terms and say next. Show the details. So now you see it is license. After I accept license terms, it went to global rules and verified all the rules. All rules are passed, and then it is automatically moved to product updates, and now it is moved to install set of files. Page by page it is going. So now it is verifying. So please wait for a minute. Let it verify. We cannot do anything. We have to wait. So now, guys, see here. Right now it is in the rules, install rules. I cannot go back. Okay. So this is fine. Here you will see it is showing machine learning server shared. All are passed, and one is showing warning. Windows firewall is showing warning. So warning is not a problem. So if you see anything is failed, then you cannot go next step. Everything should be passed, guys. Okay. See, anything is failed. See that if you don't have proper .NET framework, okay, so then it will throw error message. Here it is showing fail and you cannot go further. Next button will not enable. Okay, so that's why you have to make sure install .NET framework. It's a mandatory. And say next. So here, guys, Azure extension for SQL Server, it's all not required. Okay, I don't know, guys. So it is asking Azure principal ID. I don't have Azure related stuff. I don't want Azure, okay, because we don't have Azure accounts and all here. So you can uncheck that box. Okay, you don't need Azure. So uncheck that box and say next. So now here, this is important, guys. We are going to see the selecting the features. So next one is a feature selection. We have to make sure to select the proper features. Okay, so now here you can see this database engine services, SQL Server replication, machine learning. So I'm going to select, guys, here the features. You please select the same features from here, but still it is not that pop-up. Please wait. It's loading. Still this window is loading. Please wait. Okay, so now here let's maximize. So here, guys, you select the database engine services. Okay, and the integration services. So a lot of other components are not appearing here. Okay, so that is fine. So database engine services and integration services we installed, and it is going to install in a C drive. In a C drive, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, it is installing in this directory. So I'm going to install only 2 features. These 2 features are enough for us to practice complete SQL. Okay, and here you will see to install these 2 features, it is saying I need only 1163 MB is only required. Okay, if you want to install each and every feature, then it take more space. Okay. So now here already installed, PowerShell is already there, redistributables already there, and here tools, some Microsoft Visual Studio tools are already there. So this is enough for it. So that's it, guys, and say next. Please wait a minute. It is checking based on the features what we have selected. Based on that, it is verifying whether this SQL system is okay to install these features or not. It is verifying the system configuration and all again. So that's what here feature rules. It is verifying the computer to install these 2 features. It works or not. That's what it is showing up. Please wait. I already have 2019 servers in my laptop. Okay. Total 12 times I installed. 12 SQL servers are there in my laptop. Don't install same. You can, if you want to install one more server, install same software one more time. But I will show you. Please wait for a minute. Guys, we have to be wait. Okay, don't be hurry. Okay, now you will see, guys, in this window, it is asking default instance or named instance. So you can choose default instance and say next, but I am going to select named instance and put one name here. Any name you can give it. Okay. That same name will become automatically instance ID also. Whatever name you. So I'm going to put here, guys, SQL Dev 22. Just name, okay? That is just name. You can give any name, but I like this name, SQL Dev 22. So same name. If I click here on the instance ID, just click instance ID. The same name will be appear here. Please wait. It is loading. See, the same name is came. No need to change, guys. Don't change this. Okay, give the same. Whatever name you type here, the same name will come here and click here. So in the C drive, you will see some folders will be going to create with that same name, SQL Dev 2020. This is the installation directory where all the files are there. Guys, in the bottom, you will see already in my laptop, so many SQL servers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same software I installed 12 times already. That means 12 SQL servers are there. This is the 13th one. Now I am installing 13th one. you will see what version it is. A 15. 15 means, so 15 means what? Let's go back to this sheet. 15 means that is a SQL Server 2019. So see that now, wherever you will see 15.0, this is all SQL Server 2019. 12 means what? Let's go to that spreadsheet. 12 means 2014. Okay, so see that now. I install same 2019 software multiple times. Every time I given here different names. This time I given, I'm installing 2022 software, SQL Server 2022. I given the name SQL Dev 22. Next time you install same software, give different name. So two servers will be installed in your laptop, but two are not required, guys. I have these many because I'm showing the installations for different people, different clients. So that's why I'm seeing this many. I'm going to uninstall all this later sometime. So now that's it, guys, and say next. Don't worry, guys. This is all installed instances are showing in my laptop, but in your laptop it will show empty here. Okay, yeah, this entire window will show empty in your laptop when you are installing SQL Server for first time. And say next. Uh, Sorry, guys, there was some internet connection issue from my side. It was reconnected. Now, please wait, guys. So please wait. We have to be patient. Please wait. Okay. So now, guys, we are in a server configuration here. We don't need to do any changes. Just leave all these as is and say next. No need to do any changes, guys, in the server configuration. The next, I'm going to moving on to data. See, few more things are added here automatically. So now a few more pages are added. Now we are moving, it is moving to database engine configuration. So here, guys, we have to be little careful. Okay. So now here we need to add the accounts. So click current user button first. Click this current user. Guys, you do this the same thing, whatever I'm showing. Otherwise, it will be the problem while you are accessing this SQL server. Click add current user, please wait. So Chris is the user right now installing this software, and Chris will get complete access on the SQL server. That's the meaning of that. And also add administrators here. Type administrators. So type administrators and click check names. If you are type without spelling mistakes, it will come like this and say okay. So administrators, whoever are administrators in this laptop, in your computer, they all can access the SQL server. And also for better, guys, to avoid all complications, add everyone also. Everyone means in your laptop, whichever the accounts are there, those accounts. Everyone, click check names. So everyone also I'm adding here. Everyone is not good practice, but for we are using this for testing and learning purpose. So you can add everyone also. But in real time, we don't do this. Everyone. Okay. And this is because you will not see any complications, any issues while accessing SQL server in your laptop. If you add these three. First you click current user and then click add button, add administrators, and then click add button, everyone. And say next. So that's it, guys. And now we are ready to start the installation. Please wait here. So this is the final summary. And now we are ready to install. So far we selected all the options and all properties we selected. Now I'm going to click install button. Now the installation is going to start. It take I'm not sure, guys, how much time it is going to take, because this is first time I'm installing 2022 software. So earlier we did it many times, 2019, 2017 and all. Okay. So I believe it will take roughly 10 minutes, not more than that. Even not 10 minutes. So just wait, guys. And then we can see this. I will pause the record. So now we can see once installation is done. So here it is showing everything is done. So only thing is we need to restart the computer now and say, okay, so everything is a success. Everything is succeeded. Now we done the installation of SQL Server. That's it. So what we can do now, close all the windows and reboot the computer. That's it. So once we done, so we done this installation. Next we have to install other software, SSMS software. This one, SQL Server Management Studio is the one we have to install. So open that software. This one, SSMS Setup ENU. Just double click on that. When you double click on that, installation will come and click on the installation. That's it. Because I already installed SSMS software in my laptop, so I cannot install one more time. So that's it, guys. Once these two softwares are done, we are ready to start practice SQL. Thank you, guys. Bye.